Today I will show you step by step how to make felt envelopes with animals very easily and quickly for storing small items. To make them you only need felt and glue, and it will only take you one afternoon to make them. I will also show using the example of a cat how to sew such envelope on machine. And if you would like to have such envelopes really quickly, I have also prepared a paper version. Just color it and it will be ready in a minute. Patterns you will find in the video description, so let's get started. We will need stiff felt, scissors, vanishing markers, clips, hot glue, and black pen with thin end. Prepare patterns of the title Felt Envelopes, Common Patterns Part 1 and 2 and cut them out. Place patterns on right color of felt. Outline shapes with vanishing marker, then cut them out along the drawn lines. Place it on this element so that the bottom edges overlap and fasten it with clips. Then glue along the edge from here to this place. This element place on top so that the bottom edges overlap and fasten it with clips. Then glue from here to this place. Now please prepare patterns with the title Felt Envelopes Bear and cut them out. Place these patterns on right color of felt, outline shapes with vanishing marker, then cut them out along the drawn lines. Place this paper pattern on brown elements so that the bottom edges overlap and draw eyes with black marker. In the next step, prepare these patterns and glue the rest elements according to this picture. And now draw a smile. Now prepare a brown base of the envelope. Place this element here so that their upper edges overlap. Then place it about 3 mm down and draw the line from here to this place with vanishing marker. Then glue this element here. In the next step, we will make fox envelope, so please prepare these patterns, cut them out, then place them on right color of felt, outline shapes, and cut them out along the drawn lines. Place this paper pattern on mesh element so that the bottom edges overlap, and draw the eyes. Then glue prepared elements according to this picture. Draw a smile. Prepare orange base of envelope, then place head here so that their upper edges overlap. Then place it 3 mm down and draw the line from here to this place and glue the head here. The next will be the frog, so please cut out these patterns and prepare felt elements to make it. Place this paper pattern on green elements so that the bottom edges overlap. And draw the shape of a smile. Then glue prepared elements according to this picture. Finally, prepare a green base of envelope. Place head here so that their upper edges overlap. Then place it down about 3 mm and draw the line with vanishing marker from here to this place. Then glue the head here. Using the example of the cat, I will show you how to make a felt envelope using sewing machine. Please prepare the last patterns titled Felt Envelopes Cat, cut them out, then prepare felt elements just like before. Take also these 3 elements that you prepared at the beginning of our work. First, take these 2 elements, place it on top so that the bottom edges overlap, fasten it with clips, and sew only from here to this place and from here to this place. At the beginning of sewing, sew forward and back and repeat 3 times. The upper and lower threads are gray. Ready element, place on this one so that the lower edges overlap and fasten it with clips. Then sew from here to this place. At the beginning and end of sewing, sew forward and back and repeat 3 times. The upper and lower threads are gray. Next, place pepper pattern on this element so that the lower edges overlap and draw the shape of eyes. In the next step, place ears and cheeks here and sew them along the edge. Remember that the bottom thread is gray. Place ready element here and sew it along the edge. The bottom thread is gray. In the next step, I will draw the face according to this picture. Prepare base of the envelope. Place head here so that their upper edges overlap and fasten it with clips. We will start sewing from here to this place. At the beginning and end of sewing, sew forward and back and repeat 3 times. The upper and lower threads are gray. I also prepared patterns for making paper envelopes that you can color with your kids. To make them, you can also need paper glue. So prepare these patterns and cut them out. The common patterns cut 4 times. Prepare these 2 elements, turn this element over and apply glue from here to this place. Place it here so that the bottom edges overlap. Then prepare head elements and attach them in this way. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this project. I encourage you to make my other project that you can see on the screen. Just click. See you next time. Bye bye!